Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you 5 amazing suhoor recipes that will not only keep you full, but also boost your metabolism for weight loss. So let's dive right in. First up, we have overnight oats with chia seeds. You'll need rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and a touch of honey. Just mix everything in a jar, let it sit in the fridge overnight, and voila! This meal is packed with fiber and protein to keep you energized through the fasting hours. The chia seeds add an extra boost of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart health. Next, let's talk about Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Layer your favorite Greek yogurt with mixed berries and add a sprinkle of granola on top. This dish is not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants and probiotics, which are great for digestion and metabolism. The berries provide a burst of vitamins and minerals, making this parfait a nutrient-dense option. Third on the list is avocado and egg toast. Spread some mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top it with a poached or boiled egg. Avocado provides healthy fats, while eggs are a fantastic source of protein. The whole grain toast adds complex carbohydrates, which are essential for sustained energy release. This combo will keep you feeling full for longer. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make and can be customized with your favorite seasonings. Now, let's make a watermelon and feta salad. Combine diced watermelon, crumbled feta cheese, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Watermelon is super hydrating, and feta adds a nice savory touch. The mint leaves give it a refreshing twist, making it perfect for a hot summer morning. Plus, it's a refreshing way to start your suhoor. This salad is light yet satisfying, and the combination of flavors is simply delightful. Finally, we have a green smoothie bowl. Blend together spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. Pour it into a bowl and top with sliced almonds and chia seeds. You can also add other toppings like fresh fruits or coconut flakes for extra flavor and texture. This smoothie bowl is a powerhouse of nutrients and will rev up your metabolism like no other. The spinach provides iron and vitamins, while the banana adds natural sweetness and potassium. And there you have it, 5 healthy and delicious suhoor recipes to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss journey. These meals are not only nutritious, but also easy to prepare, making your suhoor routine hassle-free. Remember to stay hydrated, especially with water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumbers. Hydration is key to maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. And always consult a nutritionist for personalized advice. They can help tailor your diet to meet your specific needs and goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy tips. See you next time. Stay healthy and happy fasting.